Hello folks and welcome back with another video. What's going on here? We're uploading regularly here, but let's kick off with this. Behind me is a BMW M240i, and this one isn't your standard M240i. Oh no, this one's got a stage 3 pure 800 turbo kit. It's developing 540 horsepower. 540 horsepower.
80, Sid. 80 horsepower.
580?
Big difference, mate. 40 brake horsepower.
Oh, whoa, sorry. Well, it's a good job you're here.
A bit misleading.
Well, I know. I've got it wrong. Done the ad on this as well. What are you saying, Ricky? Look, he's back again. You're back again. Ricky's coming back in a video.
I'm here to take some shine.
Your last time you was, well, I drove your car, the M140i.
Yeah.
And this time around, M240.
Yeah, we've got basically the 2 Series version, yeah?
Yeah, 2 Series version with the B58, bro, you know, B58, you know, the Bradford mushes, they love it, innit? They love this car. But no, it's a serious bit of kit, isn't it?
Mate, it's proper this. So, firstly, obviously, being a 2 Series, in my opinion, they just feel a bit more stable than the 1 Series.
Yep.
The 1 Series just feels a bit digi, a bit bumpy. This one just, I think, being... I don't know, you'll see when you've been out in M240, haven't you?
Yeah. I mean, we went out on this before, and I thought it was quite a serious bit of kit, really. It's got
loads of modifications. Owner spent about 15-20 grand on it.
No
in
way.
Parts, yeah.
It's crazy.
Quaife limited slip diff. We've got the B16 Bilstein dampers, which are electronic, so you can control them, stiffen and soften them.
And that works on the adaptive drive as well, isn't it?
That's right.
No way.
BBS alloys, 18 inches all round. PS5 tyres, upgraded discs, pads, braided lines. You can see M3 style mirrors. We've got auto ID carbon all over the place. And performance. Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah, well, no. I think you've covered everything. I think he's covered everything.
Pure 800 as well.
Pure 800, yeah. So
yeah, 580 horsepower.
Okay.
On the B58. That's not like, it's 240 more horsepower than stock, but for this engine, it's nothing. This is like a reliable 580 horsepower. These turbos can do 750.
No way.
If you want to run ethanol.
Okay.
Even on pump, you could probably run mid 600s.
Okay.
Which would be pushing the engine a bit more, but this was more of a track build for the owner.
Yeah.
There's no meth, there's no race maps. It's just octane 99. Right, that's it.
He looks nice, doesn't it?
Mate, she's lovely, Sid.
She is lovely. She is lovely. She does look. It looks lovely. Sits well. You can tell it's a serious car because obviously when I came down the other week and we filmed the LLF Games. By the way, this car's on LLF Games, isn't it? 199.
Yeah, 199. Yeah.
Sunday 10:30. Go check that out. Links in the description. But yeah, when I first saw it, I saw the negative cam and I thought, cool.
Yeah,
it looks a bit serious, doesn't it?
Yeah, so he has had it set up. And he's only done 1 or 2 track days in it. I don't think he wanted to sell it. It was a private sale. But mate, this car is unbelievable. There's some other bits like high pressure fuel pump. It's MST air filter. You can see the crash bars have been painted white as well. Just looks.
Oh yeah, let's
nice,
have a little look at that. Cool, look at that. It does look good. It does look really good. I know we keep filming M240s and M140s, but you know what?
No, this one's different, bro.
Yeah, it is different. It is different.
It's so explosive paired with the 8-speed ZF. It's like, so with the Pure 800, you've basically got the nature of a stock turbo. So when you go bigger turbo, you get that more mid-range, higher. Bro, this is instant power.
This is probably the best B58 iteration modified BMW you've had for LLF Games.
Yeah.
And I think
probably the best M240 in the country. I mean, there'll be someone out there with something sick.
Oh, there'll be someone in the comms going, yeah. But no, that you're absolutely right, and I'm completely with him. And in terms of optional extras, it's got like Harman Kardon, you know, the Pro Nav.
It's also got M4 lower control arms. It
Yeah.
widens the track. What else has it got? It's had all the like poly bushing.
Okay.
There's loads of bits. M Performance exhaust. Like I can't even. I think it's tuned by a company called Odin.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lovely bit of kit.
It's a lovely bit of kit. You know, it's fully loaded, as they say in the world. Yeah, it's fully loaded, mate.
Stage 3 map on the gearbox as well.
Oh, XHP, yeah? Yeah. Sweet. I think the next thing to do now is
sideways, Sid Norfit.
Yeah, Sid Norfit, but not go sideways.
Yeah.
Not go too sideways like we did in the 140.
No.
That was a bit too much.
Yeah. The cars, bro. I can't drive. I'm broke, yeah, but bro, I can't even bother to replace the tyre. It's like
Good year, if you're watching this, yeah, just sort
quid.
him out. No,
cost me 500 quid, guys.
I can't afford 500 quid. I mean, if you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, maybe I could afford to. Maybe I'll set up a Patreon, help Sid pay Ricky's tyres back.
Bro, what did you do? Mabs' tyres? You don't mind? Bro, you're just.
Well, I mean, that's what they're there for, right?
Nah.
Anyway, jokes aside, I think we you're coming out with me, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're coming out with me. So let's go out for a drive and see what's what. But I've got to do what every M240i does. Have a vape, innit? That's what you do, innit? You're in an M240. But yeah, jokes aside, first impressions.
It's alright. It's an M140 from inside, obviously.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
I would say a little bit more space. It feels a little bit more laid back. The M140, I don't know. I always feel a bit more upright.
Yeah, this has got a bit more of a relaxing driving position.
Pinless doors, obviously.
I like the Alcantara wheel. That's nice. And
yeah, this is actually an M3 wheel, so you can see here you've got the M1 and M2 function.
Of course, look at the paddles. You know, so yeah, no, that's good. That's cool.
It's cool, mate.
It's cool. It's
that's
lovely.
An Australian accent, isn't it? It's cool, mate.
Yeah. You did do an Australian accent.
You did in Bradford.
Yeah, I do Bradford. I can only do Bradford and the Dutch. You know, I always like to do Auto Top NL. I like Auto Top NL. How's it going, guys? Let's go on the Autobahn and go by. Holy moly! You know what I mean? But yeah, jokes aside though.
I just want to beat you.
Oh yeah, might as well just get straight into it. Right, let's give it some. Yeah, it goes, doesn't it?
It fucking flies, bro.
It flies.
Yeah, man. M240, you got the HPFP gearbox.
Yep.
I think there was a manual option for the 235s. I don't know. Was there one for the 240?
I can't remember. Sure. Someone in the comments will let us know. But yeah, you could get these in a manual.
So tell me if I'm right. So if we go Comfort or go Eco Pro, does it soften up?
Yeah, you can immediately know from the throttle. It just backs everything off.
What about the suspension? Does it feel softer?
It feels. Let's go up a notch. Let's go Sport.
Sure, when
and then if we go to Comfort,
it does stiffen up. Like, it feels a bit more rigid.
Let's go Sport Plus. Yeah, that's instant. Yeah, because it's electronic dampers, isn't it?
Yeah.
I
think
they are. I'm trying to do a video.
I'm trying to upsell the car.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I can't remember. This is the point Ricky's at now in his life, which is like, yeah, whatever, innit? It's quick.
Whatever, bro.
Whatever, bro. But yeah, it's alright. Let's have a little listen.
Bro.
That does sound good, doesn't it?
Fucking so. I can't even believe. I said this in my video. Like, I don't get how this is so fast. If you look at the numbers, 100 to 200, the previous owner did 6.6, 100 to 200 kilometers. Just for reference, an Audi R8 V10 Plus would do about 5.8 to 6. So this is only 0.6 seconds slower. On a roll, it will be like basically side by side with an R8.
That's ridiculous.
Like, it just feels.
Yeah,
it feels so fast.
Yeah, and it's still a 2 Series. It's got a boot. You can put people in the back. You can use it every day. Yeah. You know, it's reasonably economical.
Like my M4, which had the Pure Stage 2 turbos, the turbo kicked in about 4,500 RPM. The issue with that is it doesn't make you want to drive the car fast. Like, it encourages you to want to cruise your car. Whereas when you jump in something like this with a quick spooling turbo, you want to just drive it like a. Obviously, it's not a good thing because you can lose your license or whatever. But it can take the enjoyment away. So what I'm saying is, some people have the option of a quick spooling or a much punchier mid-range or top end. Go to quick spooling, man.
Yeah, you just want
to still drive the car. You still enjoy it, have fun. Less power, but.
Yeah, but you're more in control, isn't it? I mean, the throttle response is literally immediate. I mean, it's there, you know, 2,000 RPM.
Literally.
And I'm there with it. Look, I've got so much control. You know, just
intake as well. Sounds.
Oh no, it sounds really good. Let me go up a gear and just build the boost. Here we go forward. Sounds like Darth Vader's under the
Yeah.
It does sound good. It does sound good. You know, even though it's obviously firm in Sport Plus, but it's not crashy. You know, it's not crashy.
It soaks it nicely, man. It does get a bit bouncy, but like you say, it's not hitting like the bumps or something. It's not that cringe, is it? Like some cars, they're just like the Subaru was a bit harsh, I'd say.
Yeah, the Scooby was very, very
We can
hard.
chat shit now, it's got in there.
What's that? Yeah, oh yeah, that guy. Yeah, it's full of shit. I'm joking.
Subaru was
No,
sick.
that was nuts.
Yeah.
I remember we was doing the LLF Games stuff, and you know, we went out to do some filming, and I put my foot down in it, and I was just like, I wasn't ready for it at all.
Yeah, same
I was
here,
like, whoa, what was that?
Because there's what it is, right? When you build an engine, right, you can produce much more lower down torque.
Yeah.
So people that don't build their engine, they can produce the same power, but they can't feed it in with the same aggression. So you can the mapper can be more aggressive if the engine's forged. So it's only 470 brake.
Yeah.
But bro, it's all coming in.
It's violent, mate. Honestly,
there's no
it was
mapping
whiplash.
around the gearbox.
It was whiplash. I mean, whoever the winner was, I mean,
he won it from Scotland. Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah. Whoever you are from Scotland, I mean, have fun in that. But bloody hell, get ready for when it spools up because it's warp speed. It's ridiculous. I was not ready for that at all. Let's give it some on this road and just see what's
traction off now. So.
Yeah, traction off. Oh, it's a bit.
But you see how quickly
it deals with it.
Down,
yeah. I mean, obviously that particular road is always a bit tricky, but man, you just fly down. The brakes are phenomenal. They're really nice. Obviously, they're uprated.
The brakes are awesome. Yeah, aren't they? Mate. Jesus Christ. How is this car? I fucking love this car, man.
I love it as well. It brings out the inner demon in you, innit? I've got to calm down, mate.
Bro, it just throws you to the end of the road. Like,
it catapults you, and
it's got the brakes as well.
It's got the brakes, it's got the turning for it.
Yeah. I mean, you can feel it's not like an M3. Like, I mean, for an M240 or an M Light, whatever you want to call it, because you ain't always been the biggest fan, have you? Types of cars.
No, I have.
You get in there.
I'm a fan of it, but when people go, yeah, it's as good as an M3, I'm just like, shut up, mate, you're chatting shit. So, you know.
What I've noticed with these cars is stock ones anyway, they don't pre-warn you before they sort of go slide. It's only when you're in the slide you're like, fuck them.
Yeah, it's a bit wobbly.
An M3, like, you get plenty of warning, like, you get a lot more feel.
You just know, what the back axle's doing, you know what the front axle's doing. This one is a major improvement. I mean, I suppose out of all the M240s, this is by far the best one I've driven, and I've driven a few modded ones as well. You know,
not a stupidly loud exhaust. No, nice quiet cabin.
It's not as bad.
Good tires on.
Oh yeah, these party vibes.
Bro, it's a
Please stop.
how fucking fast is this car?
You got to be careful because you do get to a corner a bit too quick. I got there a bit fast and I thought, oh shit, here we
I
go.
don't know what it is. I think it's because we haven't got a loud exhaust. I've said this so many times in videos.
Yeah.
Like, the performance creeps up on you different.
Yeah.
When you got loud exhaust, you can hear every increment of the rev.
Yeah.
This is like, you can't hear anything, and you just like, what?
It's deadly, isn't it? It's sort of just.
Yeah, look, and it's good. It brakes. You turn it to the corner.
It's it should be called the M240 Jack in the Box because out of nowhere it's just like, here we go. I mean, like now, holy moly, look. And it pulls all the way to 7. That is nuts.
Yeah, it is.
What the hell?
Yeah, you can't beat that low down torque, man. Quick spooling turbo, 580 horsepower, 240 brake, more than stock, and this is just conservative mapping.
Yeah. Reliable.
Like, there's that YouTuber Luke, photography something. His is running 730.
Oh yeah.
730.
730.
730.
That's ridiculous.
We did mention it's got a Quaife LSD in it.
Yeah, we did. I mean, you need an LSD. I think that's like one of the first ones you need to do on this before you start giving it any more power. But that works well. I mean, some people prefer the wave tracks, don't they? But
yeah, so I think some of you was commenting in your, because I'm not great with this, but yeah, the plated diffs like the M Performance and M plate, so they lock up different. Like this will drift, but it kind of feels like it works independently, innit?
yeah, I mean, I suppose the wave tracks are a little bit tighter. I suppose this one's got a little bit more open. but then that's nice because if you have a diff that's a bit too tight, you then get understeer in the car.
Right.
Obviously, you won't notice that on the road, and if you are, you don't wait. No, I don't drive that quick, mate. I'm very conservative.
I actually feel slightly nauseous in the passenger seat. Obviously,
Oh, yeah?
first time I've been in the passenger.
You? Man,
Yeah,
like
no, I
Ricky,
do, man.
seat.
Man's a banana, innit?
No, you're not. Stop it. What?
No, I don't mind being the passenger, but yeah, it does.
You're a bit under the weather. It's because you're a bit under the weather, maybe. That's what it is. That's what it is. We're both under the weather, so I apologise if we're not on top form today. But yeah, no, it's ridiculous. It just stops.
Brakes are sick. And guys, this is what I mean. You don't need AP racing brakes. You don't need Brembo. just get a nice set of discs, nice set of pads, like nice set of discs. I mean, like, bro, look, a big brake kit's like 3-4 grand. I guarantee the brakes on there are no more than £1,000, and it stops. Trust me.
Oh, it stops really well. I mean, really for brakes, you know, just put .5 fluid in it.
Yeah.
So the boiling point's a little bit, you know, higher, so it can take more punishment. Put some tastier pads on it, Ferrados, EBCs, whatever, and you're sorted.
Yeah. Same as what I did on my Civic, man. It was only Padgett discs, forgot the pads, but yeah, transformation, man.
Yeah, that's it. You don't have to go, you know, for heavier cars. Yeah, you might need a big brake kit, but you know, this car's not too heavy. Well, it's not heavy at all. What are these? 1,500 kilos?
Yeah, they've got to be 1,500.
Yeah, 1,500-ish. So, you know, you don't need to go mad with brakes.
I mean, even my M140, like I went out in a 900 brake M140 the other day, and I was, you know, I shouldn't be doing that to mine, possibly. I've not said that to anyone. But jumping in this, us being into driving, taking corners, braking, how could you not want it set up like this?
Yeah, this is what you want.
Like, you know, I want to do 900 brake, just fly.
I mean, your channels, you do all big sorts of horsepower and whatnot, and don't get me wrong, I love big horsepower cars, but like straight line drag races, they're not really my thing, I'll be honest with you. I like cornering, but you know, there's no denying how
you've
quick.
got the rush, we've got that straight line speed.
Yeah, you got that straight line speed.
And
I mean,
it's tamed at the same time.
I think this is the limit of power you need to be with this car.
I mean, it's almost still too much, isn't it?
Yeah, it's way too much.
It's still,
numbers tell you one thing, but as a whole, the way it makes you feel, I mean, man, it's an exciting bit of kit. It is so exciting. But yeah, I think we're in it there. I think
that was a video, bro.
That was a video and a half. Ricky, thanks for being on there.
Respect, brother.
Go check out Man Like Ricky. You're uploading reaction videos. I've been in his reaction videos and those forklift accident compilations.
And I've shot a video or two on this as well, so if you want to see that as well, like a POV drive. Man Like Ricky and
Man Like Ricky, Man Like Ricky, LLF Games as well too, 199, M240. It's a serious bit of kit, you know.
That's Sid's favourite word, that. It's a serious bit.
No, it is serious.
Go look at the adverts. That's Sid's.
That is my go-to. Yeah, I'm going to change it now.
He's going to change it.
It's lovely.
Anytime I'm filming, I say that now.
It's lovely.
It's a lovely bit of kit.
But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon to check out more content like this or anything else, and let me know your opinions on the M240i. What do you think of this one? Is there any other mods that you would do that would be a little bit different? I'm sure we and Ricky would like to hear it. So yeah, until next time, folks, see you later.